In Draupadi's Swayamvara, brother of Draupadi, named Drishtadyumna, told her about the lineages and deeds of the assembled kings who had come with a desire to win the Swayamvara and marry her. Drishtadyumna said these words to Draupadi: Duryodhana, Durvisaha, Durmukha, Dushpradarshana, Vaivimshati, Vikarna, Saha, Dushasana, Sama, Yuyutsu, Vatavega, Bhimavegadara, Ugrayuda, Balaki, Kanakayu, Virochana, Sukundala, Chitrasena, Suvarcha, Kanakadvaja, Nandaka, Bahushali, Kunduja, and Vikata. These and others are the immensely powerful sons of Dhritarashtra. These warriors have come with Karna for your hand. Hundreds are the famous and great souled kings named Shakuni, Bala, Vrishaka, and Brihadbala. All these sons of the king of Gandhara have come. Adorned with every ornament, the great souled warriors Ashwattama and Bhoja, skilled in the use of all weapons, have come. The kings Brihanta and Manimana, the valiant Dandadhara, Sahadeva, Jayatsena, Megasandhi of Magadha, Virata, and his two sons, Shankha and Uttara, Vardakshemi, Susharma, King Senabindu, Abhibhu with his sons, Sudamna and Suvarchasa, Sumitra, Sukumara, Vrika, Satyadriti, Suryadvaja, Rochamana, Neela, Chitrayuda, Amshumana, Chekitana, the immensely powerful Shrenimana, Chandrasena, the powerful son of Samudrasena, Jalasamda, the father and son, Vidanda and Danda, Paundraka, Vasudeva, the valorous Bhagadatta, Kalinga, Vasudeva, the valorous Bhagadatta, Kalinga, Tamralipta, the king of Patana, the Maharatha Shalya, king of Madra, with his sons, the brave Rukmaganda and Rukmaratha, the Kaurava Somadatta and his three Maharatha sons, Bhuri, Bhurishrava, and Shala, Sudakshina, Kamboja, the Kaurava Dridadanva, Brihadbala, Sushena, Ushinara's son, Shibi, Samkarshana, Vasudeva, Rukmini's brave son, Samba, Charudeshna, Sarana, Gada, Akrura, Satyaki, the immensely powerful Uddhava, Shridika's son, Kritavarma, Prithu, Vipritu, Viduratha, Kanka, Samika, Saramejaya, the brave Vatapati, Jilli, Pindaraka, the brave Ushinara, all famous as descended from the Vrishni lineage. Bhagiratha, Brihatkshetra, Jayadratha, the king of Sindhu, Brihadratha, Bahlika, the Maharatha Shrutayu, Uluka, King Kaitava, Chitrangada, Shubhangada, the patient king of Vatsa, the king of Kosala. O fortunate one, these and many other kings of many regions famous on earth have come here for you. These brave ones will try to shoot the excellent target for your hand. O beautiful one, you will choose as a husband the one who hits it. Like this, Drishtadyumna introduced the assembled kings to his sister, Princess Draupadi.
Dear friends, this story is taken from Draupadi Swayamvara Parva, Adi Parva of Mahabharata. Thank you.